Every single day at the Raptor Center is different for me, and I think that's one of the parts that's so exciting about this work. The majority of the patients that we see at the Raptor Center are suffering from some sort of trauma, and unfortunately a lot of those types of trauma are anthropogenic or human-caused. On average, kind of our day starts in the morning with doing recheck examinations of our wild raptor patients that are currently housed in our hospital. So doing any x-rays or physical therapy or wound treatments that they might need as part of their medical care process. So once we get all of the birds in the hospital cared for in the morning, in the afternoon, we usually switch our attention to new patient admissions. So these are wild raptors that have been found on the ground, injured, sick, orphaned, and in need of assistance. And those birds will get their intake examination in the afternoon with one of our staff veterinarians. So that will include a full physical exam, radiographs, blood work samples, and then treatment for whatever their injury is to get them started on the way to recovery. We treat over 20 different species of native raptors, so we are constantly finding new innovative ways to address the needs of those patients. Whether it is an 80-gram little saw-whet who needs a bandage and all of our materials are too thick and we need to come up with something new and lightweight for them, or a 5,500-gram eagle 70 times as big who needs a different type of bandage because they are chewing through the thin materials that we have. On the surface, raptor rehabilitation may seem pretty straightforward. You take an individual bird that someone brought to you because it was injured or sick, and you fix it and you release it back into the wild. But it has such a huge impact beyond that. We have the ability to learn about the ecosystem that these birds are coming from, and we also have the ability to educate the public so that we can help keep our raptors as safe as possible and keep them from needing to come to the hospital if at all possible. I hope that our research mission continues to flourish and grow so that we continue to try to find answers to the hard questions of how to ensure that raptor populations are healthy for the future.